Okay na to. Okay na to. Soon ay ampalaya with corned beef and egg. Mangaon guys. Dinner time guys. We have here atay sa manok and ampalaya with corned beef and egg. Oopsie. Mangaon guys, natagok ang akong atay. Mangaon. Manihapon ta ninyo.